Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making those oh-so-difficult purchasing decisions a whole lot easier and a whole lot funnier. Today, we're putting two high-flying contenders head-to-head, the SYMA drone and the Gleesfun G11MINI. One's a budget-friendly flyer, and the other, well, let's just say it's got a price tag that'll make your wallet scream for mercy. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the one thing we all care about, the price. The SYMA drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $99. That's right, folks, less than $100. You could buy this drone and still afford dinner for two at your favorite fast food joint. Now, on the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI is a whopping $299. For that price, you'd expect it to come with a personal butler, or at least a mini fridge stocked with snacks. But hey, quality comes at a price, right? Next, let's zoom into the camera quality. The SYMA drone boasts a 1080p HD camera. It's like the drone equivalent of your dad's old camcorder. Stable and clear, but not exactly IMAX material. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11MINI flexes with an upgraded 4K UHD camera. This thing can capture every pore on your face from 120 degrees FOV and can even adjust from 0 degrees to -90 degrees. So, if you're planning on filming in your next blockbuster, or just want to see how many leaves are on that tree, this baby's got you covered. Now, let's talk airtime. The SYMA drone offers a respectable 40 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. That's enough time to get some cool shots and maybe buzz your neighbor's cat a couple of times. But the Gleesfun G11MINI laughs in the face of 40 minutes. With its 60 minutes of flight time, it's like the marathon runner of drones. You could practically film a documentary on your entire neighborhood without needing a recharge. How about user-friendliness? The SYMA drone is like your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. It's got headless mode, altitude mode, and a one-key takeoff land function. Perfect for beginners or anyone who's had one too many cups of coffee. The Gleesfun G11MINI, though, is like Iron Man. It's got a beginner mode, auto return, and even a GPS that makes sure it doesn't get lost like your car keys. It's practically foolproof, which is great because, let's face it, we all have our moments. Special features, anyone? The SYMA drone has optical flow positioning, which sounds super fancy and makes it hover like a pro. Plus, it's got propeller guards that make it look like it's ready for a drone soccer match. The Gleesfun G11MINI, it's got a camera shield, GPS, flight modes like follow mode and circle mode, and even a stylish design that says, "I'm here to party." Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration is required. It's like the James Bond of drones. Both drones have received positive reviews on Amazon, but they cater to different needs. The SYMA drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for beginners and young pilots. Reviewers highlight its decent battery life and fun flying experience. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI is lauded for its advanced features, high-resolution camera, and longer flight time. Users appreciate its GPS functionalities and overall high performance, making it a great choice for hobbyists and more experienced flyers. So there you have it, folks. The SYMA drone is perfect if you're on a budget and just want to have some fun. But if you're looking to splurge and get all the bells and whistles, the Gleesfun G11MINI is your go-to. Either way, you're going to have a blast. Or at least a few laughs at your neighbor's expense. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you're going to go for. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.